Have you been wondering how to use celery seed essential oil and why you even should? Well, today I'm going to answer that question, and you will want to be running to my website to get some. Hi, I'm Lori Funderburk, an essential oil user and educator. Go ahead and subscribe so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. I'm excited to give you the chance to grab my free Essential Oils Made Easy guide. All you got to do is click the description below to find both of those links. Now let's talk about celery seed. What we see in the grocery store is that celery looks nothing like the celery that's seen at the local farmers markets. That celery plant grows up to 3 feet tall and is bright green and radiating with life. Now the seeds are the place where we find the essential oil, which has a calm and relaxing aroma, but a strong flavor. And you can definitely add celery seed oil to your favorite soups or even smoothies, but it can do so much more than flavor. Did you know that celery seed oil is a great liver cleanser? And if you've ever taken any kind of medication, what your body doesn't need, it stores up in your liver. And so we need to do a regular cleansing of our liver. Celery seed oil is great for that. It also stimulates the kidneys to remove toxic substances, which could turn into things that later are hard to pass, if you know what I'm talking about. Celery seed oil is also a potent anti-inflammatory agent, so you can actually rub it on places where Uncle Arthur's living, or you know what I'm talking about. Did you know that celery seed oil can also help support healthy blood pressure? And wait a minute, it's also a powerful insect repellent, so you can diffuse it and keep mosquitoes away? Yes. Celery seed oil also helps to provide relief from those cramps you get on a monthly basis. And you can add it to your moisturizer to help with puffiness. So you can see celery seed essential oil can be used topically, aromatically, and internally. It's just one more way for you to take control of your family's health naturally. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.